dito. Forever yan dito sa
Bulala! Bago ang concert ni na Jose at Wally sa Smart Araneta Coliseum mamaya, dito po muna tayo magpa-party! At lahat ng Dabarkats, kasali kayong lahat! Eto na nga, meron tayong malalaking papremyo. May winner ng 1-year supply of groceries plus 100,000 pesos. May mananalo ng brand new car. At merong mag-uwi ng 1 million pesos. Pack talaga yan kaya lahat ng Dabarkats always ready. Suot na nila ang kanilang SOS Sandataon Sakura powered by Ever-Ready flashlight and batteries. Wala itong kemikal na makakasama sa inyong kalusugan. Yeah. Okay, kaya lahat ever-ready nang mag-jump, jump, jump. I-welcome na natin ang mga Dabarkats sa studio. Now it's the beautiful bell.
Disperse!
Okay.
In Tagalog!
Since you said to disperse, hello everybody! I'm speaking in English. Why is that? Because we greet our Balikbayan friends! From Sydney, Australia, Miller family! Jump it up! Oh, what's up? My friend from California, USA! Guillermo family! Give it up! Now, after the age, let's go to the beauty. There. Thank you, Tita Rose! Kasama ko mga excursionistas from all over the world. Simulan na natin sa Marak family from California, USA! Dito naman tayo sa Medina family, Dubai, UAE! Julia, sino mga excursionistas kasama mo? Belle, matutuwa ka sa mga excursionistang kasama ko dahil ready na silang makapag-party! Ang mga taga-barangay, Sinigwalasan, Bacoor, Cavite, patingin ang jump, jump, jump! Maganda Nay? Maganda po ang pangako ng parting ito dahil dito naman sa bandang taas ayaw rin magpawat ng mga taga-barangay Luz Viminda Uno, Dasmariñas, Cavite! Bowling! Tag team! Eto na nga ang mga Dabarkats ko ang galing ng barangay Santa Rosario, Malolot, Bulacan! On the left corner, andito ang Bacau 2, General Trias, Cavite! Alan Kay na naka-red shoes.
Hindi mo kasi sila pinansin. Kinakalapit nila ako. From... Saan yan? Sa Mahangla, Kambini ng... Panasahan! Okay! Kinakalapit nila. Alan, ba't wala kami? Pero ito talaga eksakto. Nakantaw ka. Barangay San Juan, Taytay, Rizal! Ito pa, oh. Tanghalan ng Mandaluyong City! Ito pa, mga nakapula. Alam niyo kung taga saan itong mga to. Ang layo na pinanggalingan. 12 hours ang biyahe. Taga May Kawayan, Bulacan! Welcome po sa inyong lahat. Para simulan ng party for everyone. Kantahan na tayo sa barangay dito sa PNV Pampata ng Video kay Barangay Panghulo, Malabon. Pasok!
Shake it. Shake up now. Come on. Here we go.
Her eyes make the stars look like they're not shining. Her hair falls perfectly without her trying. She's so beautiful, and I tell her every day.
I look okay. I say. Yeah. There we go. Everybody now.
I see your face. There's not a thing that I would change.
What's it?
'Cause you're amazing.
You're amazing.
Just the way you are.
Just the way you are. Just the way
When
you are.
you smile,
Come on, let's see your smile.
the whole world stops and stares for a while.
Beautiful.
You're amazing.
You're so amazing, baby.
Just the way you are.
Just the way you are. Just the way you are. So beautiful, and tell them every day.
Alan King!
You know, and there's a promise you. I need you more than I can know it like you. Baby, when ako, I promise you, promise you. You don't convey your pain, you're gonna want it down the baby. You're gonna take it off, baby, and we can all on the ball my line. You're so amazing, yeah. You're so amazing, you're just the way you are. I'm the living of the good life. Just to find out and everything I think about fun. We're gonna so funny, man, my baby. You're so amazing, yeah. I love you, baby. It's just the way you are. You're gonna be gonna all my life.
Mamaya na.
Baka mapaos.
Mamaya na.
Pabulong lang yan.
Warm up na yan, warm up.
Pabulong lang yan. Ino-open ko lang yung vocal cord.
Yeah.
Grabe.
Kasi iba yung naka-open.
Naka-open.
Mabuti naman at si Paolo ang pinakataw niyo sa pagkanta ngayon.
Sinabi nga ni Paolo, huwag kayong kakanta. Sagot ko na to. Pero bukas kami naman, sagot namin siya.
Teka, anong feeling ng mga concert artists
Kinakabahan na
ngayon?
nga ako eh.
Bukas ka pa.
Hindi ka? Si Jose
Ayaw mo
Wally
lang.
pa.
Mamaya kami, Paolo.
Ayaw mo tanungin ka.
Yung mauuna muna, si Jose at si Wally.
Nervous.
Nervous.
Yeah, nervous and
Why,
excited.
why are you nervous? Why are you thinking, what are you thinking about the Philippine crowd?
You know, the Philippine crowd, I really love to stay here in the Philippines. For 3 days, I stay here in the Philippines. And today, it's a day.
Did you drink your pepakwa already?
No, I don't drink pepakwa.
Oh, what?
I drink ice cold pepakwa. Very good. And I'm really excited. My friend also.
Yeah, excited.
Are you excited?
Yeah, I'm
How
excited
come?
too. Because this is the first time we're going to perform in a big crowd.
What?
Yeah, cannot repeat.
Okay, then.
Who are you excited to meet in your concert later?
I like
Among
to
the
meet
guests.
all the Filipino people, right?
Okay. Bukas naman si Paolo.
Yes, yun na.
I'm sorry.
Ayan na, si
Oh,
Paolo na,
I'm
si
sorry.
Paolo na.
Come again.
Tomorrow is the concert of Paolo.
Yes, I'm so nervous.
You're
And
nervous too. Nervous one, nervous two.
Grabe naman,
Nervous
gaya-gaya.
And then,
yeah, I want to see the Filipino crowd in Broadway.
oh,
Sige,
is it
tuloy.
your first time here?
Yes, it's my first time. How
Here
about
in
you?
Malabon?
Yeah. Where's this?
Kamusta ang weather dyan sa Malabon?
The weather, look at the sun.
Naghahalong mainit na makulimlim.
Yes, look at the
Aba,
sun.
marunong magtagalog si Wally.
Oh, you speak Tagalog.
I'm half Filipino, half Pinoy.
Very good.
Yes,
Okay.
I love the weather. Very good. Not really cold, not really hot.
Oh, just
Hot and
right.
cold. It's warm. Yeah.
It's moderate.
Well, are you ready to meet the talented Filipino singers today?
Yun na nakasagot.
Yeah, of course.
Okay, dito yan sa PNV, pambato ng videoke.
Oh, ito, bago natin, before we
meet.
introduce the
Again.
PNVers, the singers, let's see the judges first. We have here,
Are you study? When you were young, you study?
it's pressure, you know, man.
You study,
Okay, here's judge number 1, Alank.
When you see this face, I'd love to think This is a face.
Look, you're so amazing.
I know.
Come on, I'll tell
Are you a
you.
human? Half human?
Half
Half human?
half human, half ape.
Judge number 2 for
Half,
all
half
your
din to.
financial needs, Sam YG.
Another half.
Half now, half later.
Half Indian?